Alright, it's Tony from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. We got this Mazda Miata painted up and it looks pretty crazy. See if you get the glitter. See the flake in it? Let me try to do a zoom up on the flake. Still needs a detail. Gotta go over it. Got the Lambo door partially open. Got a detail inside. Put the door panels back. Clean the tires and rims up. And just finish it off. But it looks really nice. You can see the flake in it. Okay, so just a quick update. I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks. So here's how she looks with the door open. Looks pretty sweet. Still gotta put our door panels on it and everything. So just giving it a little look. Check it. Sweet.